Welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we're going to do a test drive and a walk-around inspection on this beautiful 1993 Chevrolet Corvette. And this beautiful torch red with tan leather interior Corvette comes to us very low miles, just under 40,000 miles. And the car presents overall very well, definitely above average condition. Extremely tight handling car and very few flaws. The factory torch red paint shines beautifully. Even the factory wheels are in very good condition. And can't wait to show you the interior on this car. But first off, we're going to go and test drive this awesome LT1 350 6-speed manual Corvette. Nice thing is the leg in these cars. Oh yeah. So now we're ready to take that beautiful 1993 Chevy Corvette for a test drive. And like we said, it comes to us a very original, unmolested car. So, I mean, what you see is what you're getting. There's nothing hidden in this car. Nothing's been changed or modified. And it comes to us low miles. And I'll get the mileage here and we'll fire this car up. And that great 5.7 liter LT1 fires right up every time. Absolutely. And actually I took this car home because Angie really likes Corvettes, so I took it home and drove it this weekend like a regular car. It was a beautiful weather and it just performed extremely well. Very tight car. Odometer showing 39,162 miles. About 60 or 70 of those miles are me.
The LT1 was a great drivetrain for Chevrolet, especially in the 90s. I mean, stuff still wasn't making the horsepower like of the 60s, but I mean, the LT1 was putting out 300 horsepower out of the 350, which was some of the best numbers that a Corvette produced in a long time.
Oh yeah, and backed by that great 6-speed manual transmission.
Yeah.
You know, I
mean, this car pulls effortlessly. I mean, it pulls like a low mileage Corvette should. It is tight.
It's very tight, and the suspension is extremely tight.
Yeah. It's riding on brand new Nitto NT555 G2s. And those tires are only like a week. They've only been in the car for about a week. So I mean, the car rides
100 miles.
No, yeah. So the car rides extremely nice. And the interior on this Corvette, I mean, that's one of the places where these 90s Corvettes really take, especially the C4s, kind of take a beating. And it shows how well this car's been maintained. I mean, the dash is free from like any warpage. There's no cracks, nothing really to talk about condition-wise on the dash. Your door panels are in excellent condition. The passenger seat is free of almost anywhere. Driver's seat does have some on the outer bolster, which is just typical for getting in and out of these cars. But yeah, but overall the interior is in well above average condition.
Yeah, it's a really nice car.
It is.
You know, driving it and it's, you know, hands off the wheel, 50, 60 miles per hour. There is very little to no air noise.
Right.
We'll get up to, I got a car turn here, but we'll get up to 60 miles per hour here in a little bit and test that air noise. So even at the higher, I mean, 5th gear, you know, 60 miles per hour, gets back up to 60 miles per hour, no issues. Yeah, I mean, there's some very faint hint of air noise in the back, but
no, up here, it's quiet. You can easily hold a conversation.
Very tight cabin.
Yeah, you get a little bit more, I think, hitting around 65 miles an hour where we're at right now, but I mean...
And what a great color combination. That torch red with the tan leather interior, and then you got the 40th anniversary stitching in the headrest.
Yeah. It's a great looking C4 Corvette. Real pretty car.
Oh yeah.
It presents overall just even cleaner than a 39,000 mile car. I mean,
yeah, go around this roundabout, get a little bit more sporty. There's no traffic, so you know, hold that roundabout very easily. Let this LT1 breathe a little bit. Very easily.
yeah.
I mean, 70 miles per hour there before I let off the fuel. And, yeah, very smooth.
It is.
You know, pulled strong the whole way through.
And the car, I mean, it's optioned nicely just like these C4 Corvettes were, but I mean, the AM/FM radio, CD radio still works. Like
Yeah, we haven't
cassette.
tested the CD or the cassette yet,
No.
but the radio does work. The power antenna works.
It does. The automatic climate control works nicely. I mean, it's
Yeah.
keeping us nice and cool right now. I think, yeah, both power mirrors work, power windows work. I don't know about the wipers.
The wipers work.
Does the
Both
cruise
power
work?
seats. The cruise does not work.
Okay, that's the one thing that doesn't work. But yeah,
All your gauges work the way that they should.
there's no lights on the dash or on the kind of system feedback or the diagnostic center.
Yeah. Horn works. Do you have an owner's manual? Got the tool, the factory tool for the glass roof.
Yeah. It is just a really nice. So if you're in the market for just a nice C4 Corvette, I mean, really nice C4 Corvette.
Yeah.
I mean, this car has been exceptionally well maintained, and it's just not enough great things to say about this car.
And as far as like, you know, flaws on the car, we already talked about the bolster over here.
Yeah.
The exterior flaws on this car, there's no cracks in the fiberglass.
No.
The paint still shows extremely well.
Absolutely.
There's some minor stone chips that you have to get up on the car.
Yeah.
They are extremely minor.
It's like head of the pin type stuff.
You know, but if you've watched our videos before, you know that we get pretty picky and we try to show everything. So even we're going to show you stuff that you're never going to notice again.
Absolutely.
You're going to drive this car, you're going to enjoy this car, and
But yeah, it would present extremely well at your local cruise center car show.
oh yeah,
It's going to get looks. It's a very attractive C4 Corvette. And the C4s are still a great bang for the buck in the collector market.
as far as performance and actually even fuel economy. I mean, what other car are you going to get 30 miles to the gallon
On the highway, yeah.
on the highway with this kind of performance? You know, so yeah. So stay tuned. Take a look at that walk-around inspection. So now that we're done with the test drive on this beautiful 1993 Chevy Corvette, we're going to do our walk-around inspection. And like we said, this car presents very well. And it presents like a low-mile car should. And so with that being said, we're going to start here with the driver's side of the windshield. And there are just a couple very small, minor stone chips in the front windshield. I think there's a couple up here too. But coming back to the hood, and the fiberglass throughout is in excellent condition. There's no breaks, there's no cracks in the fiberglass. The paint on the driver's side portion of the hood is in very good condition. Driver's side of the front fender area is in very good condition. There's a couple minor scratches. Try and get those to show up. That's dirt. And it's got another minor scratch right here that's been touched up. And all four of your factory wheels are in very good condition. They're wrapped in brand new Nitto, right?
Yeah, Nitto NT 555 GTs.
Tires, so they're ready to roll. And across the front of the car, you do have a handful of very minor stone chips. Right, fewer than normal just because the car only has 40,000 miles. All of your plastic across the front is very clear and clean. very good condition. Your Corvette emblem, front emblem's in very good condition. There's a tire chip that's been touched up there. And this side, the front does have some stone chips just like the driver's side. They're very minor. And same with the passenger side of the hood. There's a couple of minor stone chips. But the rest of the hood is in very good condition. The passenger side of the front fender area is in very good condition. She isn't seeing any damage to note. Just some dirt from us driving it. Of course, that wheel's in very good condition, just like the driver's side. Passenger side of the windshield, there's a couple of very minor chips again. Coming down to the passenger side door, we've got a couple minor stone chips
Lower on the door.
Yeah, got a couple minor ones here. Could be touched up, you wouldn't notice them again. Got a couple minor chips on the back of the mirror. Passenger side glass is in excellent condition. And your glass roof is in very good condition. No cracks. When we come into this interior, you'll see a very well above average original leather interior.
Door panel is in very good condition, nice and clean. Your lock lettering there is nice and legible. Same with your power window. Switch graphic. Yeah, the carpet on the door is excellent. Your door jamb is extremely clean, which you'd expect of a nice little mile, well-maintained C4 Corvette. Then your transition. The carpet, actually the carpet throughout the Corvette is in excellent condition. You have these nice black floor mats. But the passenger seat is in excellent condition. I mean, the bolster has no wear to note. You have your cool 40th anniversary headrests. And your dash is in excellent condition, free of any warpage or cracks. Coming into your center console,
So coming back out, passenger side of the rear glass, it's in excellent condition. No chips or cracks to speak of. Coming down to your quarter, it's in very good condition. Not seeing any damage or chips or anything to speak of. Your rear wheels in very good condition. Side marker lights, very clear, very good condition. Some dirt there. Coming around the rear fascia of the car, your tail light lenses are excellent condition. All the paint in the rear bumper is in very good condition. Don't see anything really to speak of. Rear gas four door and hinge and springs is in very good condition. We got the factory gas cap. Pop that hatch. And both your buttons for the hatch release both work very well. Your rear carpet's in very good condition. You might have some very minor staining right there. And your rear sun screen is in very good condition and works just like it should. And you see your props, your gas props are in excellent condition. They work just like they should. Coming to the driver's side, rear quarter portion of the car, it's in very good condition. Plastic's excellent. Your antenna doesn't quite go down all the way, maybe about an inch to spare, but it works. Rear wheels in very good condition. And each of them might have just a little slight age to them, but very minor. driver's side portion of the glass roof is in very good condition. The driver's side door glass is in very good condition, including with the mirror. And it might have a couple little stone chips have been touched up. The driver's side door in very good condition, no cracks. You have a stone chip here. There's one touch up with that, yeah. Really? Oh, dirt, never mind. But the fiberglass throughout is in excellent condition. Coming into the driver's side of the interior, so very comparable to the passenger side. Again, door panels, very clean. You do have some minor wear on your plastics, but not bad. Your lettering and graphics are all nice and complete and free of wear. A little wear there in the Corvette, but not bad. Door jamb is extremely clean. Free of any like skips or scratches. And the driver's seat is definitely above average condition. You do have a little wear on the outer bolster that's typical of this generation Corvette, but really not bad. No heavy splits. You do have a little bit, maybe a crack starting there, but steering wheel is in excellent condition. Carpet on the driver's side is very comparable to the passenger side, in excellent condition. You see all your lettering on your dash is clean and complete. Power steering, not power steering, power seat controls are nice and clean. Your Corvette plaque is in excellent condition. Your shifter has some very minor wear. I look very close at it, but all your buttons are nice and clean and legible. Your center console is in excellent condition as well. So coming back outside, see a very tidy, unmolested engine compartment that houses that great 5.7 liter LT1 V8. We'll fire it up and we'll show you some lights with it. Both headlights come up together. There's the brights, the fog lamps, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. They go down together just like they should. Running lights, brake lights, left turn signal, right turn signal, and reverse lights. All the lights work just as they should. So if you're in the market for just a fabulous sports car or a great Corvette C4, you definitely want to take a close look at this beautiful 1993 Corvette. Rock Solid Motorsports.